Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 2, Introduction of Polynomials. Introduction of Polynomials. This is first video of chapter 2. Before learning this topic, we have to know some important points to understand the chapter. Here we have first point, a constant. What is the constant? A symbol having a fixed numerical values is called a constant. A symbol which have a fixed numerical values called constant, such as 9, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3 by 4, 4 by 6, or 2 by 3, pi, etc. These are the example of constant. These are the numerical values which have fixed value. Here 9 is fixed, minus 6 fixed, minus 4, minus 3 by 4, 4 by 6, or 2 by 3, pi. Every example is a numerical value. Next, we have variables. What is the variable? A symbol which may be assigned different numerical values is known as a variable. A symbol may be A, B, C, D, dot dot to Z. All alphabet has not fixed value. ABCD also, ABCD, EF, dot dot to Z are the symbols which have not fixed value. Which have not fixed value. All of them has different numerical values known as the variables, such as we have a circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here r is the variable. R is the variable. 2 and pi are the constant. 2 and pi are the constant. Now, this example is the example of variables. Terms. Next point, terms. What is term? Algebraic expression are known as terms. Algebraic expression. A expression which have numerical and algebraic, such as 2x square. Here numerical values and also variables. The combination of numerical and variables makes a term. Here 2x square. 2 is the numerical value and x square is the variable. Here 4 is numerical and x cube is variable. Numerical, variable. Numerical, variable. Root 3y, numerical variable. 4 is also terms. How can say 4 is also terms? You have a question. I know. You have a question. Sir, here 4 minus 4 is constant in above. Here you are telling 4 is terms. What is this? I am telling right. 4 is terms. This 4 can be written 4 into x to the power 0, where x to the power is equal to 0. This is the numerical, terms. This is the term. This can be written as. So this is the also term. Next we have point polynomial. It is a chain of terms. What is the polynomial? Polynomial is the chain of terms. Here, this is the chain. 2x square plus 3x minus 4, 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2, 5y power 4 minus 3y square plus 4x plus 2. Every example is the chain of terms. Here 3 terms: first, second, third, first, second, third, first, second, third, fourth. Every example has chain. So we can say polynomial is the chain of terms. I hope you are understanding. If you have any question, then you can ask me. Next, number of terms in a polynomial. Number of terms in a polynomial. First, monomial. A polynomial containing one term is called a monomial. A polynomial containing one term. Here telling a polynomial containing one term. One term. Every example has one term. Every example is the one term or monomial. Monomial, it means mono means one or single, and nomial means term. So we can say single term. A polynomial which have single term known as the monomials. 9 minus 14, 4x square, 3y, etc. All of these are the example of monomials. Next, binomial. Binomial. Bi means two, nomial means term. A polynomial which have two terms. Here written, a polynomial containing two non-zero terms is called binomial. Bi means two. Here written, bi means two and nomial means term. A polynomial which have two terms known as binomial. Here, this is the example. 9 plus 4x. Here, two terms, first and second. 3x square plus 6. Here also two terms. 7x plus 9. Here also two terms. So these are the example of binomials. Next, trinomials. We know that tri means three and nomial means term. A polynomial which have three non-zero terms is called trinomial. A polynomial containing three non-zero terms is called trinomial. Here 3x square plus 2x square plus 2. This is the example of trinomials because here three terms, first, second, third, 1 2 3 terms, 1 2 3 terms, 1 2 3 terms. Every example has three terms here. So we can say these are the example of trinomials. Next, constant polynomial. What is the constant polynomial? A polynomial containing one zero consisting of a non-zero is called constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one non-zero consisting of a non-zero is called constant polynomial. Such as 6 minus 8, 9 by 10, minus 7 by 9, pi, etc. These are the constant polynomial because they are not non-zero. Because they are non-zero. Next point we have zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. What is the zero polynomial? A polynomial consisting namely 0 or one term namely 0 is called zero polynomial. The degree of polynomial cannot be defined. Here the degree of polynomial cannot be defined. So this is known as the zero polynomial. Thank you, students. This first part is over.